Hey everyone, Happy New Year! Welcome to 2020 and welcome to a DIY version of Michelle the Maker in the kitchen, because this day I'm going to be juicing and showing you how to do a 3-day cleanse that's super easy and spending limited funds, because juicing can be expensive if you do go to someone who does it for you. So I decided I'm going to do it myself as usual. So many don't know, but I am transitioning to a plant-based lifestyle, and this is the 3-day cleanse that will kind of jumpstart me into that. I might do it like cold turkey, but this is going to start and help me start eating more greens and much more whole foods, many more whole foods. And as you can see, I've cut the majority of everything already. So yeah, here goes nothing. I hope you enjoy it. I hope you love it. And I hope you like and subscribe. So this first smoothie, why am I saying smoothie? I'm sorry guys. Anyways, this first juice requires apples, kiwi, and kale and spinach. And that's it. So I'm going to show you how I juice. Probably should turn it on first, right guys? This first smoothie, like I said, has apples, kiwi, what else in here? Kale and spinach. And here we go.
It was never yours. The craziest part about it. Baby, I'm gone crazy.
All right, now I'm gonna add my spinach and kale. I just put handfuls, 2 handfuls, whatever works for you. I know I would like to increase my green intake, so have a bit more.
But I really hate you lying to me.
Okay, so this is going to be your first juice. It has apple, kiwi, spinach, kale, and it did say to add a banana, so I went ahead and blended it off of the camera. But yeah, this is the first one. It needs to be at least 16 ounces, because if not, you're definitely not eating enough or not putting enough into your body. So yeah, make sure that it passed the line. I got these, I don't know where, but the brand is Ball. So I'm sure that they have some on Amazon or at, you know, Walmart, Target. You can probably find it there. But yeah, this is the first one. Now I'm gonna go ahead and do the next one, which is pineapples, cucumber, and apples. All right, so a lot of these vegetables were from my local farmer's market. So in whatever city you're in, be sure to check out the farmer's market, because a lot of the fruits are cheaper. Like I got 24 apples for $12. Yeah, because it was $1 per pound. Yeah, I did my math right. I hope I did. If not, you know, somebody correct me or whatever. So yeah. Next one is pineapple, apple, and cucumbers. And also be drinking water while you're doing this, because a lot of fluids are going to be empty. So just be sure to just do that. You're also going to do number 2 a lot, but it's okay because you're cleansing your body of toxins. Yeah. Okay, yeah, so I did put way more stuff in here because cucumbers, of course, have more water than normal. So I'm still gonna drink it as is. I'm gonna drink all of this because I'm gonna need it by this is my second drink, so I'm gonna need it by then. Okay guys, so this last one is going to be beets, apples, and carrots. Now the truth is, beets taste like dirt, like the earth. So you have to put something sweet, at least for me, because I cannot drink beet juice by itself.
heart could make one drown. Don't mean to be a headache. I know my love is heavy. What goes up must come down. I know my heart could make one.
Okay, this last one is supposed to be a dessert smoothie or dessert juicing smoothie. So it has cashews that were soaked for 2 hours, cinnamon, banana, nutmeg, and 1 cup of water.
I said I know my love is heavy. I said I know my love is heavy. Drown on me to be a, I know me to be a. I said I know my love is heavy. I said I know my love is heavy. Come on. I said I know my love is heavy. Word.
So these are all the juices you should have. It's supposed to be 6 juices per day. I already drank one, so that's why there's 5 left. But yeah, that's it. It's really easy, and I'll link where I got this juice cleanse from. And yeah, like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.